have to choose.
May I take one?
Amen.
Small pizza.
What?
Hi, Isaac. What's going on, Isaac? Hi. What's up, guys? It is your boy Robin here. Hi. Say hi to the crew. What's going on? Here we go. Alright, guys. So, what is tonight, guys? What is tonight? What's on the menu? We got pizza, guys. Check it out. Check that out. Pizza. So, what's up, guys? So, yeah, went over to Kmart.
Kmart.
Oh, not Kmart. Sorry. Walmart. I haven't been in there for a while. And this is what I got, guys, right over here. Check this out. I got this California pizza chicken barbecue recipe. Oh, you're right, Erica. Barbecue flavor in it. And then, check this out right here, guys. DiGiorno original rising crust. Oh, 3 meat. Oh, can't even talk. 3 meat. Pepperoni, sausage, beef, pizza, topping. Wait. Pepperoni, sausage, and beef. Toppings, guys. So yeah, that's what's on the menu tonight. Erica's back from Oahu over here, and Jess is just being Jess. Jess, what's going on, Jess? What happened?
Oh my god.
Nothing?
What happened to you?
I'm cold.
Yeah, Jess looks cold. Can I turn on the fan over there?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're cooking 2 pizzas. We got the other one on deck over here. Oh, I can't
not
even
done
see.
yet.
It's not done yet? Oh, okay. And that is the DiGiorno one in there. So we're
What's the flavor?
letting the kiddos eat the first batch. I got my monster on deck right here, guys. And just whipped up a little snack. This is, what is this, Erica, again? Papaya?
It's just weird.
Yeah, papaya. And then this is orange. This is from a farm near her working place in Lihui.
It's weird.
So it's organic. Organic, right, Jess?
Yeah, organic.
Yeah. And actually the papaya is organic, guys, because this papaya is actually from our yard. How do you guys like that?
And it makes it organic.
Yeah, because I don't think we even put anything on this thing, right, Jess? Any fertilizers or anything? No?
Just my mom planting it there. Maybe just a lot of water.
Just a little. Well, that's in the path of the water thing, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. See, yeah. No fertilizer. No anything. You know what I mean, right, Eliza?
Okay.
Whoa! What happened? Eliza is chowing down on pizza. And who is missing? Somebody's missing over here.
That boy.
Who is missing?
Mr. R and J.
Mr. RJ, aka Romeo, is over there playing. Somebody bit her lip over here, right?
No, I just touched my blister.
Oh no, Erica got 2. How many you got? How many blisters, Erica?
3.
3 blisters from running to her training thing using what kind of shoes, Erica? Those business sandals or something?
Yeah, whatever that is.
Yeah. Uh-oh. What is that, Mr. Romeo? Come on, Mr. Romeo. You don't want pizza, or are you waiting for the next batch?
I don't like pizza.
Playing game again.
Yeah, later on, he'll be like, I like cereal. Can I have cereal?
No more milk.
Oh,
Yeah,
my
look,
goodness.
No more cereal.
No more. We don't even have milk, I think.
I'm gonna go write it down what I need
Oh, I should have bought milk.
tomorrow.
Huh?
I have to go grocery and no more nothing.
Yeah, we don't own absolutely nothing, Jess.
Nothing. Wala na do. I don't nothing to cook. Only bacon.
I want bacon.
No.
Why?
Excuse me. No.
Why?
I'm gonna go I'm making less for the grocery.
Oh, yeah?
Erica, help me out making the best.
Oh, yay. Are you off tomorrow? Oh, no. No.
Less.
Less. Less.
Cook already. Cook. Let's see.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait. Alright. So I'm gonna assist in this pizza making. How am I gonna assist?
Ay, mainit.
Assist my ass. More
What?
like, watch.
I am. How can I assist you, Jess?
It's already done.
Huh?
This is done.
Oh.
Oh.
Help?
I can do.
Oh, there we go.
That's a good one.
Look at that. Ooh,
Ah, mainit.
who out there likes DiGiorno pizza, guys? Who out there? Leave your yes or no in the comment section, right, guys? Or if you don't like it, tell us what is your favorite frozen pizza that you can probably pick up from your local Walmart, right, guys, or wherever. Kroger, Sam's, whatever. Yeah. There's Yati. Yati's almost 18, almost legal. Oh my god. What? Erica's gonna dig out already when she's 18,
No.
she said.
They're not. They're not gonna dig out.
See?
No, I never kick you out, so you're not dig out.
But I can leave.
No,
Ooh.
no.
There we go. It's getting deep now. It's getting deep over here.
Relax.
Yeah, look, Erica is gonna dig out from her family. Nah, just kidding. Dig out.
Nah.
Nah, nah, Erica, Allah.
Dad, I'm 20.
Huh?
I'm going. Okay.
No.
I'm
Like,
not
I'm
playing
going.
Dad, come on
Yes,
here.
I freaking am.
Barbecue. Rolling with the bacon and the.
Okay, give it. Eliza, which one?
Yay!
Just small piece.
I know which one.
Smells like Little
Doesn't matter,
Caesars.
her, I think, huh?
That one.
That one.
That one. It's like Little Caesars.
Pizza.
Yay, cheese.
Give me the
Yay!
plate for your brother then.
Yeah, give RJ's one.
He's not even eat it.
No,
Pizza, pizza.
He has to
Is this
eat.
Little Caesars?
No.
Oh.
I wish we still had Little Caesars. We don't.
We used to.
We don't even have a Little Caesars. Ever since Kmart left,
Yeah.
there goes Little Caesars. Unless there's a Little Caesars someplace else.
Those little
No?
cheese sticks.
We have Domino's.
Yeah, the best pizza.
But you know what? It doesn't beat Little Caesars cheese sticks.
Yeah,
you
those
know?
are good.
Ooh, that's what I miss. That's what I miss.
Young.
I was gonna ask
Yeah.
for those.
What do you guys miss from Little Caesars? The cheese sticks? That's the one? What about you, Erica? What do you miss from Little Caesars?
Let's do.
I kind of miss the super oily pizza.
Mop.
The super oily pizza. You know, if you want to eat like really junk food, you know, like freaking oily ass food.
I want to eat a slush.
That's
I missed their slushies.
over there. Oh yeah.
The slushy.
Oh, Young.
Oh!
You have
Alrighty, what's going on here? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Good morning. It's your boy Robert here. Over here at my parents' house.